Hello guys, today we're gonna clean Evaporator on Ford Explorer 2nd generation. We're gonna do it with Conditioneer cleaner, this foam that cleans all the dirt and bacteria in your air conditioner evaporators. For those who have cruise control, you should get it out there first. Then we're gonna unscrew these bolts. So we unscrew these two bolts with 8mm ratchet, and there's one more bolt. Surprise, motherfucker! We got one more bolt. Bolts were screwed, so we had to unscrew these reservoirs in order to remove blower motor. Now we're gonna try it. So we did it. It was not easy, but we did it. Reservoir is still in place. Now we're gonna watch what happens this in there. Now we're gonna look there on our evaporator. It's pretty dirty. You see how much dirt in there. All the sucking gunk and stuff. Oh, it's awful. Okay guys, we're gonna clean it. If the evaporator is still dirty, you can clean it with a toothbrush. Many dirt and gunk will come out. Assemble it in reverse order, and that's it. Your motor is oiled and your evaporator is clean. It's all set and it works. Conditioner works well. That's it. That's it. Max conditioning. So gentlemen, we're done. We've cleaned air conditioner evaporator and now it's clean. And fresh air, like menthol, with a menthol scent. No bacteria, no lung diseases. Clean, fresh air. So subscribe to my channel, press like. Bye bye.